This is a really cute koala. I've got a 5-inch round that I've blown up to just over an inch, tied it off tight. I've got two gray 260s, one with about 4 inches, one with about 2.5 inches uninflated. I've got a white 260 with about 5 or 6 inches uninflated on it. We're not going to use all that. And a black 260 that I've just blown up about 3 inches. So we're going to take the black, and then you're going to take the shorter of the two grays. That is the one with the longer tail. And we're going to tie the end of the black and the gray together. Just like that. Then we're going to take the gray and make a pinch twist in it. Set that down and take your white 5-inch round, divide it into 2 equal bubbles, and then twist that in around where those two come together like that. That's going to be our eyes. Now we're going to make about a 2-inch bubble in each of those, 2 to 2.5 inch bubble. Twist them together, and then cut off the rest of the black. We don't need it. I'm going to go ahead and tie that and tuck it through so it'll stay. Trim that excess. And now what we're going to do is we're going to make another pinch twist here in the gray, and then 2 small fold twists, just like that. And now we're going to complete our koala's head by coming up alongside, and you want to come up to just beside the eyes there, make a bubble. And we're going to make a little pinch twist, and then make a fold twist that goes around that pinch twist. Cut the pinch twist back in the middle, and that's one of our koala's ears, where they have kind of large round ears. Then lay it alongside, and you're going to cross over his head, measure to the other side of his head, make a bubble that goes across, and then make another ear just like you made the last one with a pinch twist, a fold twist around it. Tuck the pinch up inside the ear, like that. And now we're going to come back down, and then we need another bubble the same size as this one. That's going to connect back into the bottom of his head, just like that. And now you can see our koala taking shape. There's his head there, his mouth, his big brown nose, and his eyes. And this part we're going to pop off, we don't need. Secure that in there. Now we're going to take our other gray. We're going to twist the nozzle up into the middle of that. Just like that. Now we're going to give him a little short neck. And then we're going to make 2 fold twists that are about 3 or 4 inches. When they're folded, just like that. That's about a 4-inch body. We're going to make 2 more fold twists, just like those other 2, like that. Now we're going to come up, back into the top, and just enough to come back down and leave a little bit for his little tail. Take it up the back. There's his little arms and legs and his little tail. Then we're going to take our white and give him a little white tummy. So we're going to take the white and twist it in to one of the pairs of fold twists, that's his legs. Run it down to give him white tummy. Twist it around the other one. Pop off any excess. Tuck it away. And there's your cute little koala.